So Kathy, I'm going to move to you. So you are our only panelist that does offer both the self-service side and the full service, the wash, dry, fold. So you can share a little what percentage of your business each sort of comprises, and then how do you structure your business with your employees and your space and hours and all that to kind of manage both?
Right. First, I just wanted to chime in because Lee made a really good point about the clothes. You know, the amount of clothes that people are bringing in, and the fact that so much of it is washable. Is I just wanted to touch because it was a great point that he made. You know, back in the day, in my parents' day, you know, you had like lined suits and really beautiful clothes, and you handed them down to your kids. You took them to the dry cleaners, and they were statement pieces. And nowadays, as Lee was saying, you know, people are going to H&M, they're going to Walmart, and they're buying these clothes, and there's just they can afford 3 wardrobes of clothes. They don't necessarily last as long or look as nice, but everyone's into fashion and doing TikTok and making videos and looking fashionable, and they can buy thousands of pieces of clothes, but they're all washable.
Thrifting,
and that trend very much supports laundries and laundromats. So so anyway, so getting back to your question about the percentage of the business that's self-serve, it's 85, almost 90%. And I have 6 employees. And the way I structure it is that, unlike some other laundromats that do wash, dry, and fold, they have attendants or assistants that are designated to do certain things. So some of them do security, some of them work the front desk, some of them are just folders and stuff. I hire customer service attendants that do everything. So it is flexible enough to do wherever the flow is. So if I get a lot of wash, dry, and fold orders coming in, that's definitely their priority. Okay. And then the assistant or somebody else that's on duty at the time will take care of the customers, the self-serve customers, helping them use the machine. You know, we'd like to be consultative. So I train them about different laundry products, a little bit about the fabrics, because customers think that we're experts in it. And we want them to be able to tell them, you know, how to use the machine and which products to use, Clorox versus Clorox 2, and what the difference is, that type of thing. But again, I structure it so that it's the attendant can multitask and do whatever the flow is. So I'm not stuck with not having a folder or something else if I get a lot of work.
But that's smart to cross train. That's great.
Yes.